Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are tackling a common issue faced by many Android users: notifications not coming through. Whether it is missed messages, app alerts, or important updates, this problem can be frustrating. But do not worry. In this video, we will guide you through several steps to help fix your notification issues. Here's what we will cover. 1. Check notification settings. 2. Check Do Not Disturb mode. 3. Clear app cache and data. 4. Check for system updates. 5. Update Google Play services. 6. Perform a factory reset. So let us get started. Step 1. Check notification settings. Our first step is to make sure that your notification settings are properly configured. Notifications can be managed at both the system level and the app level, so let us check both. Access notification settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. You can usually access this by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade and tapping the gear icon. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down and tap on Notifications and Status bar, depending on your device and Android version. Tap on Manage Notifications. This will display a list of all installed apps on your device. Ensure that the apps for which you are missing notifications have notifications enabled. For each app, you can manage its notification settings. If you see that notifications are turned off, toggle the switch to turn them on. Customize notifications. You can further customize notifications for each app. Tap on the app in question and make sure that Show Notifications is toggled on. Additionally, check settings like screen display options. You can adjust these settings to your preference to make sure you are alerted in the way that suits you best. Step number 2. Check Do Not Disturb mode. Sometimes the issue might be due to the Do Not Disturb mode, which can silence all notifications. Check Do Not Disturb status. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon, which might resemble a minus sign or a circle with a line through it. If the icon is highlighted or turned on, it means Do Not Disturb mode is active. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Tap the Do Not Disturb icon to disable it. If the icon is grayed out or crossed out, it is already off. For a more detailed check, go to Settings and select Do Not Disturb to review its settings. Review Do Not Disturb schedule. In the Do Not Disturb settings, check if there is a schedule set up. Some devices allow you to configure Do Not Disturb to activate automatically at certain times or on specific days. If there is a schedule, notifications might be silenced during those times. Adjust or disable the schedule if it conflicts with your notification needs. Step number 3. Clear app cache and data. Clearing the cache and data for apps can help resolve various issues related to notifications. Go to Settings, then Apps Management, and select the app with notification issues from the list. Tap on Storage. Here, you'll see options to manage the app storage. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing problems. This action won't affect your personal data and can resolve issues caused by corrupted cache files. If clearing cache doesn't fix the issue, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. This action will reset the app to its default state, potentially resolving issues caused by corrupted app data. Be aware that clearing data might require you to log in again or reconfigure settings. Step number 4. Check for system updates. System updates can bring essential bug fixes and improvements that might address notification issues. Check for updates. Go to Settings, then tap on Software Update. Tap Check for Updates. Your device will search for any available updates. If an update is found, follow the prompts to download and install it. System updates can fix bugs and enhance system stability, including issues related to notifications. Ensure that your device remains connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life during the update process. Step number 5. Update Google Play services. An updated version of Google Play services can cause compatibility issues with your apps. Check for updates. Keeping Google Play services updated ensures that you have the latest features and bug fixes. Here's how you can check for updates. Open Settings. Go back to the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps Management. Select Google Play Services. Locate and select Google Play Services from the list. Update if available. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Tap this button to update Google Play services to the latest version available. This update can fix issues related to outdated software and improve compatibility with other apps. Manual update. If you don't see an update option within the settings, you can try updating Google Play services manually. Open the Google Play Store app on your device. Search for Google Play services. If there is an update available, you should see an option to update. Tap Update to install the latest version. Step number 6. Perform a factory reset last resort. If all else fails, factory reset might be necessary. This is a last resort as it will erase all data on your device. Back up your data. Before performing a factory reset, make sure to back up all important data. You can use Google Drive, Google Photos, or another backup service to ensure your files are safe. Perform factory reset. Go to Settings, then Additional Settings. Tap Reset to Factory Settings. Then Reset System Settings or Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. Your device will restart and begin the factory reset process. This will erase all data to ensure your backup is complete before proceeding. And that's it. We have covered a range of methods to fix notification issues on your Android phone. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most notification issues and keep your phone alert and responsive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.